How to find hidden apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate apps that have been hidden from your home screen or app drawer. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all installed applications. From there, you'll see a complete list of all apps on your device, including hidden ones. At this point, scroll through to find any apps you don't recognize or remember hiding. In the next step, go back to your home screen and open your app drawer. Following this, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Once done, tap on Settings or Home Settings from the menu. From here, look for Hide Apps or Show Hidden Apps option. If you don't see that option, long press on Home Screen. Then tap on the Settings menu, which will take you to the home screen settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll see Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. There you'll see all hidden apps. At this stage, tap on it to view all apps you've previously hidden. After this, uncheck any apps you want to unhide and make visible again. Once completed, those apps will reappear in your app drawer. Additionally, if you're using Samsung, check Secure Folder in Settings, as hidden apps may be stored there. And that's it! If this Hidden Apps Guide helped you locate missing applications, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.